morning students, I am your instructor Kausar Kiran from the platform of Southern Business School, University of Southern Punjab, Multan. Students, today topic we discuss the basic theme of economics, nature, basic economics, concepts of scarcity, choices and opportunity cost. Student, in the previous lecture we already discussed what is economics, what is scope of economics, branches of economics, normative and positive economics. Hopefully you understand all the previous lecture. Now student, here we discuss themes and nature of economics and basic concepts. So, we will study the basic theme and nature of economics. The basic economics concept of scarcity, choices and opportunity cost. They are very important topic because they explain the foundation of economics. If you understand these concepts clearly, you can easily understand the whole subject of economics. Students, what is the basic theme of economics? The first topic which we follow, the main theme of economics is unlimited wants but resources are limited. Students, human wants are unlimited. We always want more goods and services. But resources such as land, labor, capital and money are limited. Because of this problem, economic studies. Student, how to use limited resources? The question is how to use limited resources, how to make choices, how to allocate resources efficiently, how to satisfy maximum wants. This is the central problem of economics. The question is, what is the nature of economics? The central problem of economics arises. The main question is nature of economics. Student, the nature of economics explain what type of subject economics is. Students, economics is a social sciences. It study human behavior in daily life. Economics is a science. It is based on facts, theories and laws like demand and supply. Economics is both positive and normative. Students, the positive economics deal with facts and normative economics deals with opinion. In the previous lecture, we discussed the example of what is the fact and what is the opinion. Student, economics is the study of scarcity and choices. The study how people make decisions because resources are limited. What is the basic economics? The main concept is scarcity. Student, meaning of scarcity. Scarcity means limited resources and unlimited wants. Students, our resources are limited such as money, time, land, labor and capital. So, the resources are limited. So, in the limited resources, we fulfill our unlimited wants. But human wants never end. For example, if you have only 1000 rupees and you want to buy clothes, shoes, books, and you can't buy everything because your money is limited. This situation is called scarcity. Hopefully, you understand the word, the situation. Now, students, the next basic concept is choice. Student, because of scarcity, we must make choices. Choice means selecting one option and leaving other. For example, if you have 1000 rupees, you can buy a shirt or you can buy shoes. You must choose one. So, economics studies how people make these choices. Now, the next point is opportunity cost. What is the meaning of opportunity cost? The word opportunity depends on the value of the next best alternative that is given up. Student, when we choose one thing, we sacrifice other. It's natural behavior of every human being. If you choose to buy shoes instead of a shirt, then the shirt you did not buy is your opportunity cost. Another example. If you spend time watching TV instead of studying, the question is very important. If you spend time watching TV or using mobile instead of studying, the marks you could have gained are your opportunity cost. If you spend your time on your study. In simple word, opportunity cost, what is give up when you make a choice. Student, the relationship between scarcity, choice and opportunity cost. These three concepts are concerned. Scarcity creates a problem. Because of scarcity, we must make choices. When we make a choice, we face opportunity cost. This is the basic foundation of economics. So, students, economics is based on the problem of unlimited wants and limited resources. Scarcity, choices. Individuals and society to make choices, and every choice has an opportunity cost. These basic concepts form the foundation of economics theory and helps us understand decision making in our daily life. Hopefully, students, you understand the today topic. Now we conclude all the what is microeconomics, what is economics, what is the branches of economics, what is the difference between micro and macroeconomics. The next point is basic themes and nature, basic economics concept and scarcity, choice and opportunity cost. Hopefully, students, you understand all the today topic. Thank you for so much and Allah Hafiz.